Hey guys, and welcome to the 8th day of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's result, kind of dry. It's still drying, but it's mostly dry, and I like it. I think it looks really abstract, like a wave, a tornado going through a wave or something like that. And today we are going to be doing a ribbon pour. Now, I just had a couple failed attempts, so I hope I get this right. I'm going to start with a black background, and then I'm just going to write something over this in some colored paints. So it'll be really easy and quick. Only problem is I have terrible handwriting. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to layer colors into the cups.
Okay.
And then we're going to pour them out in kind of the design that we want. And I'm going to put a drop of silicone. Oh, dang, that was a lot. Oops, I did not. I was so used to like squeezing that it just kind of squeezed. So that is going to have a lot of silicone. So I'm going to mix that in there. And then red. If you can't tell yet, my lovely assistant Nehemiah helped me pick these colors today.
Yeah. Help me with the
So I'm just going to try to write out the word love as best I can in cursive. Oh my gosh, I did it again. Just give it a nice squiggly underline. Do some random ribbons throughout. All right, I kind of like that. I feel like I want to move it, but if I do, I'll lose it. So I'm honestly just gonna leave it just like that. It's very simple, it's basic, I don't mind, I like it a lot. And that's the thing with ribbon pours is like you can mess around with the lines too. You can move them, you can make them different shapes. A lot of people like to drag them out. Like this. Alright, I think I like it like that, where the love is untouched, but it's kind of surrounded by spikes. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I will bring you in for a close-up. All right, and here is our close-up. They almost look like thorns or even like almost centipedes or something, but I love the contrast with the spikiness of the lines and then just the solidness of the word. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next one.